Why did the great Mughal emperor, the Akbar, drank only Ganga's water? Why did the Britisher in the East India Company carry the Ganga's water when they travelled back to England? They also say that Hitler, for his hideout bunkers, used the Ganga's water, which could last for over a period of 1 year. We all know that the Ganga originates from the Gangotri glaciers in the Himalayas. And what we see when we see the point of origin of the Gangotri glacier is said to have resembles a cow's mouth. And that is the only reason why it is called the Gaumukh. That means the mouth of the cow.
काशी में गंगा का होना या यहाँ से होकर गुजरना अपने आप में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। काशी मुक्ति का क्षेत्र है। उसके लिए पहले समझना होगा कि काश्याम मरणान मुक्ति एक सूक्ति की तरह कही गई है बात। ये कहीं किसी कोई जुबानी जुमले नहीं है, ये पुराणों में लिखित एक ऐसा सूत्र है जिसके तहत काशी में मरने वाले को मोक्ष की प्राप्ति होती है।
The Institute of Microbial Technology has revealed that more than 20 types of bacteriophages are found in the holy water of the Ganga river, which can fight microorganisms that causes diseases like pneumonia, cholera, urinary tract infections and many others.
गंगा जी प्रकृति ने हर एक नदी को, स्पेशली गंगा जी को इतना पवित्र बनाया है और वो सब प्राणियों के उद्धार के लिए बनाए हुए हैं। उसका प्रमुख कार्य जीवों के जल की आपूर्ति करना है। गंगा नदी जहाँ जहाँ से भी गुजरती है वहाँ वहाँ के बंजर जमीन को भी हरा भरा करने की क्षमता रखती है। जितने भी रोग, जितने भी पाप पुण्य सब उसमें धुल जाते हैं, ऐसी सबकी मान्यता है।
But the mystery still remains. What is it that makes the Ganga water hold 25 times more oxygen? And where is this continuous supply of bacteriophages coming in this river water from? They say that in the Vedic period, the ancient sages had a deep atomic understanding and were very well aware of the fact that everything is made up of the arrangement of atoms. So they went with their spiritual practices and performed alchemy. That is an ancient practice of changing the basic nature of the atomic substance. They usually did this practice for converting the metals into gold. So, these Indian sages performed the ancient alchemy and wanted to create an immortal source of water using a similar methodology. So, they reached to a point in the deepest confines of the mountain where only the human soul can reach, and it is not possible for the human body to reach there. And there they performed the alchemy experiment to create such a source of water which could benefit the generations for time immortal. Whether religiously or scientifically, one thing is for sure, that the water of the river Ganga will always be beneficial for humanity for generations to come.